Assalamualaikum students, hope you are all fine and well. According to today's lesson planner, we are going to solve exercise on our workbook. It's the exercise of everyone sang. Let's start from page number 54. Exercise B, forming adjectives. Many adjectives are formed by adding OUS to a word. OUS is our suffix which we add at the end of a root word to make an adjective. For example, the word is joy. When we will add OUS at the end of joy, it will become joyous. Danger, after adding suffix, it will become dangerous. Students, keep one thing in mind, that when we add a suffix at the end of a root word, sometimes the spellings change. For example, the first word is fame, F-A-M-E, fame. When we will add suffix at the end of the root word, here we will omit E, and it will become F-A-M-O-U-S, famous. Here E have been dropped. The second word is envy, E-N-V-Y, envy. When we will add suffix at the end of this word, it will become envious. Here Y have been replaced by I, E-N-V-I-O-U-S. The third word is marvel. When we will add suffix at the end of this word, here we will double the L, letter L. It will be doubled, M-A-R-V-E-L-L-O-U-S. In the next word, humor, when we will add O-U-S, our suffix, it will become humorous. Here U have been dropped, H-U-M-O-R-O-U-S. In the last word, wonder, again we will drop the letter E. It will become W-O-N-D-R-O-U-S, wondrous. Let's know more about the formation of adjectives. Adjectives can also be formed in other ways. Below are some nouns and adjectives. Here are the nouns and here are the adjectives which have been formed by these nouns. The first noun is caution and its adjective is cautious. Next noun is muscle and adjective is muscular. Next noun is science and adjective is scientific. Next noun is method and adjective is methodical. Next noun is shade and adjective is shady. Next word is star and adjective is starry. Next noun is skill and its adjective is skillful. Both the spellings are correct. S-K-I-L-F-U-L, skillful, or S-K-I-L-L-F-U-L, skillful. Double L, it is also correct. It is American and its British spellings. System and its adjective is systematic. Let's solve exercise B1. Below are some sentences with blank spaces. After each sentence there is a noun. See how many spaces you can fill with suitable adjectives made from the nouns. A. The children went out to play as it was a dash day. The noun is sun and adjective which we can form by this noun is sunny. S-U-N-N-Y, sunny. B. Jack had a dash bean plant in his garden. The noun is giant and the adjective formed by it is gigantic. C. The dash man shouted and screamed. The given word is fiery and the adjective is furious. D. The teacher told us a dash story. Noun is humor and adjective which can be found by it is humorous. E. The trapeze artist performed some dash tricks. The given word is danger and adjective which can be formed by it is dangerous. Trapeze artist is a person in the circus who performs tricks on a rope or a swing. F. On the way to Swat, we passed some dash scenery. Noun is picture and adjective which we can form by it is picturesque. G. The class made a dash discovery. The given word is science and adjective that we can form by it is scientific. Come to page number 55. Is the doctor gave the patient an dash medicine. The given noun is effect and adjective is effective. I. Abdul is a dash craftsman. The noun is skill and adjective which we can form by it is skillful. J. It has been mistakenly repeated. The trapeze artist performed some dangerous tricks. Let's move to exercise C. Wise words. You already know these proverbs. Let's have a look on them. The early bird catches the worm. It means one who arrives first gets the best opportunity. Next is look before you leap. It means you should have a look on all the good and bad aspects of something before doing the action. The next is learn to walk before you run. It means you must learn the basics before trying to do something advanced. The next is don't count your chickens before they are hatched. It means that you should not depend on something that has not happened yet. The last one is better late than never. It means it's better for someone to arrive or to do something late instead of not doing or reaching. Here some new proverbs have been given. Let's have a look. Still waters run deep. Here is the explanation of this proverb. Some may not say much or show off, but he may be very intelligent and have hidden abilities. Next is an eye for an eye and a tooth for a tooth, and its meaning or explanation is this saying justifies revenge. Someone who does you harm can be treated in the same way. The third one is don't put all your eggs in one basket, and its meaning is it is not wise to put all your efforts, money or energy into only one thing. For if this one thing fails or is lost, then all is lost. Fourth one is you may lead a horse to water, but you can't make him drink. And its meaning or explanation is you can try and persuade a person or guide him, but in the end, what he decides to do depends only on himself. We cannot force someone into doing something he doesn't want to do. The last one is actions speak louder than words. It means it is better to do something than to talk about doing it. Come to page number 56. Here an interesting activity has been given to you. Let's read it. What is it? Choose 4 proverbs from page number 55 and write about a small incident to illustrate each one. You can make a story or relate something that actually took place. Draw a picture in the spaces provided. You have to choose a proverb and you have to relate a story about it. First one have been done by me for you, but the next one is your homework. You have to do it yourself. The incident which I have related is last winter all the relatives gathered in Faisalabad to attend a wedding. After the wedding, one family planned to depart early in the morning. Everyone wanted to wait because it was fog outside. But they departed, and after 1 hour we got the news of their accident and one of the members died at spot. It is wisely said, better late than never. So I chose this proverb to relate an incident. Now do the next one yourself. Thank you for listening. Allah Hafiz.